I got some interesting things in this Bitcoin chart. Let's take a look. So as you can see, here's the old run up, the last bull run with our double top, right? Here's the downtrend that we have been in for quite some time during this bear market. As you can see here, if I zoom in, it looks like we've broken this downtrend. It looks like we're holding support. Now, this is a 1 week chart, so this is a pretty valid chart. It usually holds pretty well. Each one of them candles is 1 week. Now, if I scroll over, looks like support is around 16,226. We're gonna face some pretty heavy resistance at 19,290. But I do think that is going to end up making a pretty steady support. Think that once we get up to 21,734, that's going to be a much stronger resistance. It's going to try to push us back down to that 1920 and potentially back down to that 1600. One of the great things that I see in this chart right here, right, is if we go up to this next line, which should be our first fib retracement line, puts us all the way at $25,000, and that just gets us to the 786. If we can retest the 618, puts us all the way up to 33,000, and if we can retest the 0.5, puts us up to 38,000. Now, I do expect to retest some of these levels and then still have a potential chance of coming back down over here, over here, over here to one of these substantial lines, making a new higher low. That's how the bear market tends to drag on. But I am hoping that we can push through this green line, get to this red, bounce up and down right here, and then finally shoot up to this white line. We are holding support on this Fibonacci line right here, which is literally, guys, the last Fibonacci line in the sequence. Well, it's the one. I mean, there's still some negative numbers that we can go, but we're pretty down right now. So let's hope we hold the support and start moving up.